Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a day where everything felt wrong, even though nothing was actually wrong? No crisis, no emergency, just irritation, frustration. That quiet feeling that somehow the whole day is working against you. But what if the problem wasn't the day at all? What if it was simply the story we were telling about it? Most of us wake up with a quiet expectation. Today will be a good day, if everything goes the way I want, if people say the right things, if plans go smoothly, if nothing unexpected shows up. But life has a habit of doing exactly the opposite. It shows up in its own unpredictable way. In Buddhism, there's a simple reminder that can save us a lot of unnecessary stress. When we change our perspective, we change our experience of life. Not because life suddenly becomes perfect, but because we stop arguing with reality. I think about this. The same comment from a friend can feel like an insult one day, and a joke the next, same words, same person, different state of mind. Perspective doesn't change the event, but it can completely change how we experience it. Buddhism reminds us that many difficulties aren't caused by what happens, but by how tightly we hold our ideas about how things should happen. When we loosen that grip even a little, life begins to feel lighter. We still face challenges, we still feel emotions, but we stop turning every inconvenience into a personal attack from the universe. Perspective is something we can practice every day. When things don't go as planned, we can pause and ask, is this really a problem? Or just not my favorite moment? Or even, what might life be trying to teach me here? Sometimes those small questions save us a lot of energy. So maybe changing our life doesn't require a dramatic transformation. Maybe it begins with a small shift, from resisting life to working with it. And when we do that, we don't just feel better, we live better. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and return whenever you need a little space to breathe. Before you go, take this teaching with you. If it was helpful, please support this space by liking the video and subscribing to the Dharma Lamp. Let's meet again tomorrow. I told myself, okay, maybe this is just a messy, imperfect, very normal human day, and suddenly it was fine. Not magical, not Instagram worthy, just fine. My shoulders relaxed. I even laughed at myself. The irritation lost its power. Same night, same situation, different experience. That's the power of perspective.